Nothing.
No numbers. Oh, it's going.
Hi. Today we're going to show you how to install the deck drain janitors on a new type of drain. Let's see. This one doesn't go straight through. It's got these little tabs on either side that you need to cut through, in addition to cutting through the top surface. So we'll see what we can do to show you how to install these. First thing you want to do is take your template and put 2 pieces of Scotch tape on it, and that's to hold it in place so that you can trace it and to reuse it. So we'll set it in place here on the drain. Then you want to take a fine tip marker, trace around the outside, and peel that off. And be sure to put your safety glasses and mask on, and then we'll cut out the lines. Let's see, now this side is cut all the way through. This one is not, because the blade was worn down slightly. So let's see if we can cut it on an angle and get it out. Okay, that cut through on this side, but it looks like we're going to need a hacksaw blade to get it out all the way around. So any old hacksaw blade will do. Slide it in the holes that you've got cut already. Square up the corners. We'll have to go the other way too.
Yeah.
There we go. That one came out. Now the other side. Right up to the line there. And then these 2 sides. Now if you can't get a hacksaw blade in there, you can try a utility knife. That may be able to trim the edges for you. And you want to hang on to this. You don't want to let it fall in if you can avoid it. So that's how to cut it out. Now you should be able to get your hose inside, turn on the high pressure, and flush out your deck drain janitor in either direction. Then when you're done, you can take your deck drain janitor apart, and it hooks right on the edge there. You hook it on one side, lift it slightly in the middle while you're pushing down on the opposite side, release it, and it'll snap into place. There you go, we're all done. Have a great day.